Hello, golf cart enthusiasts. Always a pleasure to have you with us. If you've been wanting to upgrade your golf cart but don't want to spend thousands of dollars on fancy accessories or custom work, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 affordable golf cart upgrades for 2025. Upgrades that are budget-friendly, highly rated, and most importantly, actually useful. These aren't gimmicks or luxury add-ons. These are upgrades that improve safety, comfort, storage, and the everyday usability of your cart, whether you drive around your neighborhood, a resort, a campground, or a golf course. And the best part? Every upgrade on this list can usually be installed in under an hour with basic or no tools. All products recommended in this video are available on Amazon, and purchase links are available in the video description. Check them out for limited offers. Before we roll into our first pick, take a moment to ensure you are subscribed and have notifications enabled so you don't miss new videos and updates. For our first pick, we have what we can term as the best overall utility upgrade for golf carts, the Panoramic rearview mirror. When it comes to affordable upgrades, this is the one that delivers the biggest improvement. At just below $30, this simple accessory completely transforms how safe and confident you feel behind the wheel. Most stock golf carts come with little to no rear visibility. That's fine on a quiet golf course, but the moment you drive through neighborhoods, parks, resort paths, or anywhere with foot traffic, visibility becomes crucial. The panoramic mirror offers a wide, crystal-clear field of view, letting you see pedestrians, cyclists, and vehicles approaching from behind. It uses tempered glass to reduce distortion and an anti-vibration bracket system to keep the image steady even on bumpy ground. Installation takes about 10 minutes. Mounting hardware usually comes included, and you can fine-tune the angle to perfectly match your line of sight. This is the upgrade I recommend to absolutely everyone. It improves safety and gives your cart a more modern automotive feel, all for a very small investment. And that brings us to our second pick, an upgrade that adds real utility to the front of your cart, the front storage basket. If you've been using your golf cart for errands, property work, or even just casual cruising, you've probably dealt with the constant clutter, keys sliding around, drinks spilling, tools shifting from side to side. Many older golf cart models skimp a lot on storage spaces, and that's where the front storage basket comes in. This is a no-drill, strap-mounted organizer designed to sit at the front of your dash area. Made from heavy 1680D fabric with reinforced panels, it gives you a structured, reliable space to keep all your small items. It includes mesh pockets, elastic loops, dividers, and bottle holders, with enough room for all your golf accessories and other daily needs. The beauty of this upgrade is how much it improves your daily routine. Instead of tossing your belongings into random cup holders or onto the seat, you now have a designated spot for everything. It's also one of the easiest installs you'll ever do. The straps go around the frame, you tighten them down, and you're done. No shaking, no vibration, no spilling, no drilling, no measuring, no hassle. Now that your cart is safer and more organized, it's time to talk about something you feel every single time you drive: comfort. Because whether you're hopping in for a quick 5-minute ride or cruising around for nearly an hour, an uncomfortable seat can completely change the experience. At number 3 on our list, we have the Nokin's Diamond Stitch seat covers, and this is easily one of the most popular upgrades for golf cart owners who want a noticeable improvement without spending a fortune. These seat covers slip directly over your existing cushions, but the difference is immediate. The moment you sit down, you can feel the added padding and support. The diamond stitch design gives your cart a premium, almost luxury look, similar to what you'd see in high-end automotive interiors, instantly upgrading the overall appearance of your ride. But it's not just about looks. The thick vinyl material is designed for real-world use. It's UV-resistant, which helps prevent fading and cracking from long hours in the sun, and it's water-resistant, so rain, morning dew, or accidental spills aren't a problem. That makes these covers especially ideal for golf carts that are parked outdoors or driven year-round. One of the biggest advantages of these seat covers is how easy they are to install. There's no stapling, no glue, and no reupholstering involved. You simply stretch the covers over the seat cushions and secure them underneath using the included straps. Most people can install them in under 30 minutes, and you don't need any special tools or upholstery experience. So, if your original seats are cracked, faded, sun-damaged, or just plain boring, this upgrade feels like a complete refresh. Instead of replacing the entire seat, a durable, comfortable, and stylish solution at a fraction of the cost. Comfort isn't just for the driver, of course. Passengers deserve a little love too. And our next upgrade is something they'll appreciate every time they hop on. If you frequently carry passengers, especially kids or adults riding in the back seat, the Roy-Cal rear seat armrest is a must-have. This is one of the simplest upgrades on the list, yet one of the most impactful. It gives your passengers a comfortable place to rest their arms, along with a secure cup holder and a dedicated phone slot. No more drinks tipping over, no more phones sliding around. Everything stays safe and secure, even on uneven terrain. The best part? Installation is a breeze. These armrests clamp onto square tube rear seat frames and require absolutely no drilling. You tighten the clamps, adjust the angle, and you're done. And at under $50, it's easily one of the highest value upgrades on this entire list. Now that your passengers are more comfortable, let's move to the back of the cart, because that space can offer so much more than just a flip seat. Coming in at number 5 is an upgrade that every golf cart owner, and really every golfer, will appreciate: the Europec 2-layer golf trunk organizer. If you've ever loaded up your cart with golf balls, tees, gloves, clothes, water bottles, or especially shoes, you know how quickly things can get jumbled and messy. Loose gear slides around, shoes get dirty, gloves end up in the cup holder. Sound familiar? This organizer solves all of that. What sets this organizer apart is its clever 2-layer design. The bottom compartment is ventilated and roomy enough to fit 2 pairs of golf shoes, which means you no longer have to cram them under seats or balance them on the floor. Ventilation keeps the shoes aired out and prevents odor buildup. The upper compartment is perfect for everything else: balls, tees, extra gloves, towels, drinks, rangefinders, spare clothes, whatever you normally toss in and forget about. And because the compartments stack neatly, everything stays organized and easy to reach. Installation is simple. The rugged waterproof material protects your gear from rain or spilled drinks, and reinforced handles make it easy to take with you when you get out of the cart. In short, if your cart doubles as a mobile locker, whether for golf gear, picnic supplies, or outdoor essentials, this 2-layer organizer dramatically improves usability without adding bulk or complexity. And with that, we come to the end of our video on our picks for the top 5 affordable golf cart upgrades for 2025. Each one is budget-friendly, highly rated, and incredibly useful, especially if you want to get more comfort, safety, and utility out of your cart without doing major modifications. Whether you choose one upgrade or all 5, each of these options will transform your golf cart in a noticeable way. Remember to check the video description for links to purchase. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment telling me which upgrade you want to see reviewed next, and subscribe for more golf cart tips and upgrade ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.